In this section, you will hear from our EOPS counselor, Mr. Kyle Skinner. He's going to explain to you guys our 3 mandatory EOPS contacts. Now, we provide a lot of services for students, and all we ask from you guys is that you maintain a 2.0 GPA and that you complete your 3 contacts every semester.
My name is Kyle Skinner. I'm one of the EOPS counselors here at LA Trade Technical College, and I want to talk to you guys today about 3 mandatory contacts for EOPS eligibility. The first contact, which I think is the most important, is meeting with your EOPS counselor to develop your student educational plan, also referred to as the SEP. During this contact, we're going to sit down with you for 45 minutes to an hour and map out your educational goal, whether that's transferring or associate's degree or certificate. So we'll give you basically your roadmap, a series of courses that will essentially guide you to your path. The next contact is the progress report, which is the second contact. This is essentially a form that will be emailed to you. You will then have to send the form to your instructors so that they can fill it in, make comments, and essentially let you know where you stand, what your progress is around the 8th week of school. This is important because it allows you to make choices once you know where you stand in the class. Once you then email that back to us, we will give you credit for a second contact. The third and final contact, you have a couple of options. You can meet with a counselor. We call this an exit contact, and we just kind of check in with you to make sure everything went okay for the semester. And we might even start planning for the following semester. We can make adjustments, tweak things, answer questions. It's kind of an exit interview, if you will. Or you can attend one of our workshops that we hold throughout the semester. Counselors do, we call them group counseling. But if you attend one of these, you will certainly receive a third contact. These contacts are mandatory, and if you do not meet one of the contacts, you will be put on progress probation. And progress probation simply means that if you miss one contact, and then the following semester, while you're on progress probation, if you miss any contacts, which means you'll have to do all 3, then you'll be suspended from the program indefinitely. So please do not let this happen to you. So it's in your best interest to make sure you do all your contacts. All right. That's it for now. Good luck and welcome to EOPS.
So just to reiterate, EOPS students have to do 3 contacts every spring and fall semester. The first contact is your SEP, Student Education Plan. That is normally done at the beginning of each semester. The second contact is a progress report. Now, the progress report is normally done in the middle of semester. The third contact is an exit contact that you can do one-on-one with a counselor, or you can attend one of our group counseling sessions. If you miss one or more of our contacts, you will be placed on EOPS probation and you may be exited out of our program. So if at any time you're confused and don't know what contact you have missing, just contact us at eopstrade@lattc.edu and we'll definitely help you out.